Ohanaeze Ndigbo president calls for immediate release of IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu amid health concerns. In a passionate appeal that has reverberated across Nigeria's socio-political landscape, Senator John Azuta-Mbata, the President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo Worldwide, the apex socio-cultural organization representing the Igbo people, has urged President Bola Tinubu's administration to immediately release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the detained leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB. The call, made public today through a widely circulated video message, emphasizes Kanu's deteriorating health and advocates for a political solution to resolve the long-standing detention, which has spanned over 4 years. Senator Azuta-Mbata's direct plea. In the video statement, which has been shared extensively on social media platforms, Senator Azuta-Mbata addresses both the Igbo and the federal government with urgency. This is Senator John Azuta-Mbata, the President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo Worldwide. He begins, "I would like to call upon the federal government of Nigeria to quickly release Nnamdi Kanu. The government has no serious advantage in keeping him." He further stresses the humanitarian aspect, noting, "It is important that the government ensures his safety and his welfare. The government must allow him to go for medical treatment as quickly as possible." Azuta-Mbata advocates for a political solution to the impasse, arguing that prolonged incarceration serves no purpose and only deepens ethnic tensions in Nigeria's diverse federation. The appeal comes at a time when Ohanaeze Ndigbo, under his leadership, is positioning itself as a unifying voice for the Igbo amid ongoing national challenges like economic reforms and electoral preparations. The video, lasting just over a minute, has garnered significant attention online, with users on X amplifying the message under hashtags like Dasker Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Posts from accounts such as Mjike and Dabacity Blog highlight the call as a call to action, while news outlets like Ripples Nigeria and Punch have reported it as a direct plea to President Tinubu. Azuta-Mbata's statement is not isolated. It aligns with a series of calls from Igbo leaders, including Senator Ayanaya Abaribe, who recently offered to stand surety for Kanu's bail. As Ohanaeze's president, Azuta-Mbata's position amplifies these voices, potentially pressuring the administration to reconsider its stance. The organization has historically advocated for equity, justice, and the marginalization of the Igbo since the 1967-1970 Nigerian Civil War, and this plea underscores ongoing grievances over perceived injustices in the Federation. In the same video, Azuta-Mbata multitasks by urging Igbos, across Nigeria to seize the opportunity of the ongoing continuous voter registration exercise by the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. "I'm calling upon Ndigbo wherever you are in Nigeria to quickly go and take advantage of the voter registration exercise that is going on right now. Go and get your cards as quickly as possible," he said. This dual message reflects a strategic blend of immediate humanitarian advocacy and long-term political empowerment, especially with Nigeria's 2027 elections on the horizon. The federal government's response remains unclear as of this report by Family Writers Press International, but past administrations have resisted similar calls, citing national security. Critics argue that Kanu's release could embolden Biafra sentiments, while supporters view it as a step toward reconciliation and adherence to court rulings, including a 2022 Supreme Court decision quashing some charges against him. Senator Azuta-Mbata's intervention arrives at a pivotal moment for President Tinubu's administration, which has promised inclusive governance. With Kanu's health reportedly worsening and international human rights groups monitoring the case, the government faces mounting pressure to act. A political solution, as suggested, could involve negotiations, amnesty, or conditional release,